What is happening, everybody? Josh here from Spawn Fly Fish. We're back with our weekly shop update live from Milwaukee, Washington, here at Spawn Fly Fish. We got a lot of stuff to go over today. We're really excited about a lot of it. So we're going to start things off with what is new at Spawn Fly Fish. If you guys have been following our new arrivals section on our website, you'll see that I've been constantly updating it as of late. So there's been a lot of new products that have been flooding the site, and we're really excited about quite a few of them. So we're going to showcase some of them today, and then we're going to showcase some in the next shop update because they're not physically here, but I've built the website pages for them. We will photograph them and so forth, but we're going to focus on a few that we have today in front of us. So as far as fly lines, we added 3 new fly lines from Scientific Anglers, and we're excited about all of them. For you guys out there and gals out there that like to Euronymph, we added the Mastery Euronymph tactical line here from SA, all sizes. Super excited to offer that for you guys here. We do have some nymph rods, some Euronymph rods in the shop, and now we have a few options as far as lines to pair it with. Previously we only had one. Now we have a couple options for those of you that want to check out some different lines. The next two are going to be very streamer oriented. We do a lot of streamer fishing here, and our products are used in a lot of streamers around the globe. As far as around the globe goes, we got the Tropical Jungle line, the Titan here, from Scientific Anglers, and this is going to be a really good one for those of you that use our products and travel abroad. So excited about that. We've sold a few of those in the past for people that are making trips, but now it'll be something that's offered on our website 24/7, 365. The one that we're most excited about here in the shop is the Trout Express. So this is part of their sonar series, so this is going to be a sinking line, and we think that this is going to have a lot of play here in our small streams where we're doing a lot of roll casts with heavy flies, turning them over for hungry cutthroat and hungry coho and other salmon species. So we're really excited about this. Might also have a little bit of play in South Sound, but that'll be to be told. So we will report back on that, but primarily we're excited about this in those narrower applications where we're going to roll over heavy flies and strip them through and get those big, hungry, predatory fish out here on the coast. Moving into other new products. As far as fly tying goes, we haven't always offered a lot of head cements. So today we have 3 new head cement options. Hard as whole here from Hairline. We're going to have another video where Pete is going to go over the application use and how and when and where and why for this product, but just know that it is now live on our website and we have all 3 of the variations. So continuing into fly tying, we now have a new foam. We got the frog foam. For those of you that are tying some frog flies or some flies where you want a little bit of contrast on the top or on the bottom depending on where you're tying on your foam, we now offer tan, yellow, and olive frog foam. So, as far as diameter goes, we have one size, and it would be roughly along the lines of the fin from Hairline, so right around 2 millimeters in width. So, continuing on to new products, we have several fly tying tools that are new. So we have the center fly display, which is a cool one for those of you that are tying flies and want to keep them there so you can compare and contrast the fly that you're tying. If you're tying up a dozen, so forth, you can display those in front of you. But also for where we use these in the shop is for fly tying nights, we will stage out flies so that we can really showcase how and where we're putting each wrap and each material to best showcase the fly that we're creating. So know that is live on the site. And then we have 2 other tools. We got the ceramic rake from Hairline, and we have the cauterizing pin. Also, both very useful tools that we have available here at Spawn Fly Fish. Excited to get those on the site and in your guys' hands. One thing I want to touch on that none of you guys took advantage of. As I've been adding products, we work here all day in the shop. We go home, keep working, work some other jobs, keep working. The sonar leader kit was free on our website for the last 72 hours and none of you guys bought it. I changed the price. It's no longer free, but It was live. There was inventory on there. This is also new and on the website. So we have the 10-foot sonar leader kit available. 7-foot is on its way. Great product that gives you a wide range of leaders here from Scientific Anglers. It's no longer free. As far as deals go though, speaking of free, these aren't free, but there is some hot deals right now on our deals page, and there's going to be some really hot deals starting tonight. The IMX Pro will go on sale tonight. This is the discount date that will be launched. As some of you guys might have seen on the website, it was there, but it was not on sale. It was in preparation for the date that we could discount this rod. We don't have a huge inventory of these, but the ones we do have are awesome. Highly recommend if you're in the market for a new rod that you check this one out. It is a fantastic product. We will not be restocking those. Once they're gone, and its predecessor will come to Spawn Fly Fish. Also, we have our Spawn Sims merch. We got a bunch of this still. The new stuff is on the way. So out with the old, in with the new. I wear these all the freaking time. And as spring and summer's on the horizon, this is going to be a go-to for me down here off the jetty, out in the creeks, out in the rivers. So look forward to this. Heavily discounted on our website. Take advantage of that. Again, when it's gone, and the new ones will be in the website here as they arrive. So take advantage of that. There's some other loon kits that are on that deals page that will work their way out of the deals page as soon as our inventory levels off. The core is right around the corner for doing so, but we still have quite a few accessories kits. So if you're looking to up your tying tools game, right now is a phenomenal opportunity for that. Alright, that was a ton of stuff to go over. Now we are talking fishing. So we have gotten very, very little rain. We were supposed to get a half inch 2 days ago. We got maybe 0.001 inch 2 days ago. It got really cold. The rivers continued to drop, and fishing has been quite challenging out here for steelhead. Cutthroat fishing, on the other hand, has been very, very good. These low water applications make it easy to target these fish, but many of you guys, the reason why you're coming out to Southwest Washington this time of year is to target the steelhead, and right now is very challenging given our low water. Still can be done. Touched one yesterday, so keep that in mind. The last thing that we want to touch on is the fly tying night here at Spawn Fly Fish on February 24th at 6 p.m. We have a few spots left, so be sure to reach out. Pete's going to lead an awesome class. I might even be teeing on a fly, leading the way. So sign up for that class. We're excited about it, and we will see you guys next time. Also, hit like, hit subscribe, and thank you very much.